Good morning, friends. And today we will discuss about cookies and sessions in Ruby programming language. So, what is the importance of cookies and sessions in Ruby programming language? So, cookies are used to store the data on the server on the user side. So, that is, the cookies will be stored on browsers. So, and we can set the cookie by using this built-in function set cookie. So set cookie is the predefined function for setting the cookies. The parameters are name, value, and expiry date. So here session. So session is also used to store the user data on the server side. The basic concept of cookies and sessions is to store user data. The cookies will store the user data on client side. So and the session will store the user data on server side. So and each sessions are identified by session ID. So by using this session ID, so we can retrieve the sessions data. So and we will look at the differences between cookies and sessions. Cookies are stored in browser side and sessions will be stored in server side. So for there is a limit for storage in terms of cookies. So and it is stored unlimited amount of data. So we can store unlimited amount of data using sessions. So the limit is 4 KB. So and here once the session is created, so we can hold multiple variables in sessions. So here we cannot create multiple variables just like in sessions. So we can access the cookie time. So and we can set the time for cookie expire. So here once we come out of the session, so the session can be destroyed. So here while setting the cookie, we can set the expiry time. So here by using the method called session destroy, we can destroy the session. So the function used to set the cookie is set cookie. So and the method used to destroy the session is session destroy. And for setting the session is session start. So these are the basic differences between cookies and sessions. So and this is one simple example for the cookie. So and here we are setting a cookie. So and the name of the cookie is action item. So and the value of the cookie is luxury car. So and the time set is so around 120 seconds. So multiply by 16 to 2, 120 seconds will be available in the browser. So and each set of cookie action item as it is set. So the condition will be true. So it enters inside the if loop and it prints the value of the cookie. So the value of the cookie can be accessed by using the name as an index for cookie array. So once we set the cookies, so all the cookies will be stored in the cookie array. Automatically, all the values will be stored in cookie array. So and if suppose if this cookie is not set, so we are not going to display. So no items for action. So when we run this program, we get the output as action item is luxury car. So that is we are displaying the luxury car value by using this array and the index as an so action item. So it is the name of the cookie and luxury car is the value. So the value can be accessed by using name. So this is what. So the name should be given as an index for this $_cookie array. So this $_cookie is to fetch cookie array. So now we will take the example, simple example. So cookie 1. So here, so there are 3 cookies. So I'm setting the cookies, 3 cookies. The first cookie is name, second cookie is email, and the third cookie is mobile number. So and after setting, so and the time limit I am giving is very less, 40, 30, 25 seconds. So and after setting the cookies, I am going to print this values by using this $_cookie is an array where all the cookies are stored. So and this cookies can be accessed by using this a name as an index. So and this is printing individual values. So now I can print the complete array of cookie. So that is by using a method called print_or. So and this is a special method in PHP programming which is used to print an array. So and I am using this pre command. So just to display this array in a formatted way. That is, every element will be printed in a separate lines. So now I can run this program by going to browser. So and before this you have to switch on the server of XAMPP. So here I come to the localhost and I just enter this program address. So it is stored in lab2 slash so cookie1.php. So in the beginning, the cookie will be not set. So once if you refresh, so automatically the cookie will be set. So here I have set 3 cookies, and after that I display this cookies Sunil Kumar, sunil@gmail.com, and mobile number. So and in the similar manner, I am printing it in an array. So this is how we can set the cookie and how we can work with this. So and these values will be remembered by the browser until the time expires. So this is time I have given is 40 second, 30 second and 25 second. So now I can access this cookie values in other file. So just I created one more file called cookie2. So here I am just taking the cookie values. So that is cookie values can be accessed from one file to another file. So in cookie2, I'm just printing the cookie values and then an array. So now, so before executing cookie2, just refresh cookie1 and set the values. So after that, change the name to cookie2. I'm going to a different file called cookie2. So here, so these values are printed. So the time I set is very less. So after 25 seconds, my mobile number will go because the browser will forget that value after 25 seconds. So just keep on refreshing. Yeah, after 25 seconds, so mobile number will become non-accessible. So because that is deleted, expired. So after 30 seconds, 40 seconds, this email will go off. So just like that. So now it has become, so all my cookies are expired because I set very less time period. So after 25 seconds, my mobile number gone. After 30 seconds, my email gone, and 40, my name gone. So this is how we can set the cookie and we can print the cookie. So automatically the data in the browser, the cookie data in cookie array will be deleted after this time. So now I take up one more example regarding this cookie. So here I am using a cookie to display the last visited time of a web page. So in the beginning, I'm just giving this page title as last visit using cookies. So and then I am adding the titles of the web page, Web Programming Lab. So, and welcome to Web Programming Lab. So, and I'm adding some CSS styles, color and font style. So after that, so some default time zone I'm setting here. So, and then I'm declaring one variable for time expire. So, and I'm multiplying these values. So if we multiply, we get around some 57,000 something seconds. So that is roughly 2 months. So this cookie will be remembered in the client system for 2 months. So, and the name of the cookie is last visit. So, and the value is date. So the date we are printing in this GI format. So G stands for 24-hour format and I stands for minutes, a month, day, and year. So this is the value of the cookie is date. So and that date and time will be displayed in this format, 24-hour format, minutes, month, day, and year. So I'm checking this is set a cookie. Yes, it is set. So the condition will be true. So and it enters inside the if loop. So and that value will be taken in this variable $_visit, and I am printing this. So last visited on. The value of this cookie is the date. So the last time this web page is accessed. So and suppose if this cookie is not set, we are just telling. So you got some old cookies. So I just go to browser and I execute that. So the name of my cookie example is just cookie.php. So here, so this is the web page program what we seen earlier. So every refresh, so it gives the last time this web page is accessed. The last time, date and time, we are storing in a cookie. We are storing in a cookie and then we are accessing and we are printing on this web page. So this is regarding cookies. So and I take up one more example for demonstrating sessions. So here, so two important methods. For creating a session, we use session underscore start. And for destroying a session, we use session underscore destroy. So in the beginning, I am just adding the titles and CSS for an web page. So after that, I am starting the session. So and after session is started, I can create the session variables. So multiple session variables can be created. So and here I am creating the session variable as count. So how to create a session variable is $_session of count. So this is the session variable. So I'm checking not a set of $_session. So if it is not set, set it to 0. And if it is set, increment the value. So if it is set, increment the value, because the main logic behind this program is we are creating one variable called count, that is session variable. So and every time we visit the page, the count must be incremented. So we will get the incremented value because we are not destroying the session. So this will be available. This will be having a lifetime so that it remembers. So all the previous visited count. So if we call this session destroy, the whole session will destroy and we cannot get the count number of times the web page is visited. So this is the logic behind this program to display number of times the page is viewed by the users by using a session variable. So I just go to web browser. So and then I just execute session underscore PHP. So here I can see for the first time initially it assigns 0 upon refresh. So every time the value will be incremented. So this value will be keep on incrementing until I call the session destroy. This value will be remembered by the browser. So once I call the session underscore destroy, the session will be destroyed and all the session variable values will also be destroyed. So this is regarding cookies and sessions in PHP programming. So thank you all for watching my video. Thank you.